You know that moment when you've just finished shooting a great video, the lighting's perfect, your words flowed, the vibe is right, and then you realize now you have to edit it? Yeah, that exact sinking feeling. Because as creators, the filming part is fun. That's the art. But editing, that's where the hours disappear. You've got to find the best parts, cut the dead air, add captions, resize it for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and somewhere in the middle of all that, you start questioning your life choices. That was me. Until last week when I came across a tool called HiClip. We test tools that actually make life easier for creators. So I decided to throw one of my full-length videos into HiClip and see if this thing could really edit for me. Now, the first thing I noticed was the captions. HiClip automatically generates captions for every clip, and they were shockingly accurate. It even added emphasis automatically. You know those subtle, bold highlights on key phrases that make short-form content more dynamic? Yeah, it did that. And if you don't like the font style or color, you can tweak it instantly. The editing interface is minimal, but that's what I love about it. It doesn't try to replace your editing suite, it just takes away the grunt work. Within minutes, I had a few really clean clips ready to go. One for YouTube Shorts, one for Instagram, and another for TikTok. That's when it hit me. HiClip isn't about perfection, it's about speed. It's about getting your content out there before your motivation runs out. But here's the part that really blew my mind. HiClip doesn't just randomly select clips. It actually understands emotional tone. You know those moments in a video where your energy spikes? Maybe you laugh or emphasize a point or pause right before something impactful? That's exactly what it picks up on. When I reviewed the AI's choices, a few of the clips it pulled out were exactly the ones I would have chosen myself. It caught my most expressive bits, the parts where I sounded most passionate or relatable. When you arrive at HiClip for the first time, you'll see a simple sign-up flow. Pick Continue with Google. After you confirm, HiClip creates your account and drops you into the homepage. That's all. No long forms, just one click and you're in. And then it will ask you a few onboarding questions to know your interest. Next, the dashboard. The main area greets you by name and asks, "What can I do for you?" With a big upload box in the center where you can either drag and drop video files or paste a YouTube link. To the top right of that box, there's an upload file button you can use if you prefer browsing to drag and drop. Above the page, there's also a small More Credits button. That's where you go if you need to buy or top up processing credits. The landing area also includes 3 colorful Getting Started cards that help new users get your first clips, upload content, link social accounts, connect platforms so you can post directly, and set posting styles, create posting templates or brand styles. Those 3 cards are shortcuts to the basic workflow HiClip expects creators to use. Now let's walk through the step-by-step, the paste link plus analysis flow. Now I have pasted a YouTube URL into the input box near the top and clicked the Get Clips from the link or equivalent button. Once you do that, HiClip shows a small 3-step flow at the top. Process video, analyze video, edit video. That progress bar tells you exactly where you are. The app first processes the video, fetches the audio/video and runs a basic transcription, then it analyzes. And that's when I realized this tool isn't replacing editors, it's amplifying creators. It's spotting what's authentic and engaging, even when we don't have time to rewatch our own footage. HiClip lets you review, trim, and even combine clips easily before you export. It's not supposed to do everything, it's supposed to give you a head start. And that's what makes it practical. Now here's something I didn't expect. HiClip supports over 30 languages for transcription and captions. So if you're a multilingual creator or someone creating in English, Hindi, Bengali or Tamil, it actually understands that. That's huge. Because most AI editing tools are built for American accents and they struggle with regional tones. HiClip didn't. It just worked. And if you've ever struggled with AI tools misunderstanding your voice, you know how big that is. Another thing that stood out, the platform's multi-platform formatting. When you export a clip, you can choose if it should be vertical for Reels and TikTok or horizontal for YouTube. It automatically adjusts framing and text placement so your captions don't get chopped off. You can even brand your clips, add your logo or watermark directly before export. No need for third-party apps. Under the Process Video section, you'll see a thumbnail of the source video and a transcription excerpt with timestamps. This is powerful. You can jump to any line in the transcript and the player will scrub to that moment in the video. which is the fastest way to find content without watching the entire file. After processing, the Analyze Video step creates candidate clips. The UI typically lists each suggested clip with a short timestamp, auto-generated caption, and a preview player. The AI looks for things like energy changes, question/answer moments, or punchlines, spots that work well in short form. You can preview each clip, accept or reject it, trim the start/end, or merge multiple clips. The suggestion list often includes a quick title or suggested text for social posts. Use these as starting points, but edit them to match your voice. Once you open an individual clip in the Edit Video area, you can adjust captions, font, size, position, tweak the trim, select aspect ratio, vertical for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, or horizontal for YouTube, and add your watermark or logo. Exports generally let you choose resolution and platform presets, so the captions and safe area are properly framed for each social network. After exporting, the clip will appear in your library, and if you've linked social accounts, you can schedule it from scheduled posts or publish immediately. HiClip works on a credit system. There's a free plan that lets you test out a few short videos, which is great if you just want to see if it fits your workflow. If you're uploading regularly, say 1 or 2 videos a week, that plan should cover you comfortably. I'll drop the link below if you want to explore it yourself. And hey, if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what AI tools you're currently using for content creation. Maybe we'll feature them in the next IdeaPlex episode. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.